A friend asked me about this, so I tested it and here's what worked. If you're having trouble with payments not going through on Kraken, follow these steps to resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your payment method. Make sure that the payment method you are using is supported by Kraken. Some methods may have restrictions or may not be available in your region. Step 2. Verify your account. Ensure that your account is fully verified. If your account is not verified, you may face issues with transactions. Go to the verification section in your account settings to check. Step 3. Review transaction limits. Check if you have reached any transaction limit set by Kraken. Each account has different limits based on verification levels. If you hit your limit, you won't be able to make additional payments. Step 4. Check for maintenance updates. Sometimes, Kraken undergoes maintenance that can temporarily affect payment processing. Visit the Kraken status page to see if there are any ongoing issues. Step 5. Contact support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. I hope these steps help you get your payments sorted out quickly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.